Good morning, students. I am your computer teacher JP Gupta sir. As I had started your first chapter networking concept in the previous video. In this video, we shall continue the same chapter and we shall cover the following topic. First is types of network and second is networking devices. So student, let us start with our topic. So students, our next topic is types of network. Depending on the geographical area covered by a network, there are mainly four types of the computer network, which are as follows. First is personal area network. In short, we say it PAN. This type of the network covers a small area of about 10 meters. It is mainly used for communication among devices such as laptop, mobile phones, or smartphone. Personal area network can either be wired or wireless, and this network is used to transfer the files from one device to another. Second is local area network. This network is a two or more computers or peripheral devices connected within a small area like a room, office, building, or campus. The maximum range of the LAN can be 2 kilometers. The number of computers in LAN varies from 2 to hundreds computers. Next is cluster area network. In short, we say it CAN. In this network, computers are connected one another in a campus of school, college, or hospitals. This network covers an area smaller than man. Next is metropolitan area network. In this network, computers are connected each other's in a city within a city, and it is larger than LAN network. The most common example of MAN type network in our daily life is cable television. The area of MAN is defined for less than 50 kilometer range. Next is wide area network. In short, we say it WAN. In this network, two or more computers located at far away places linked by communication facilities like telecommunications or satellite signals. The most common example of WAN type network in our daily life is telecom system and internet, ATM, and etc. The usage of WAN is limited to very large organizations and government agencies. The main characteristics of WAN is that it requires a public telecommunication media to transfer. So next our topic is network devices. Network devices are used to connect computers or other devices together so that they can share files or resources over the network. There are various network devices as discussed here. First is modem. Modem is also a communicating device that convert the digital signals of the computer into analog signals to enable their transmission via phone lines. Modems are available in two categories: internal modem and external modem. An internal modem comes as a separate part that is installed on the PCI slots available on the motherboard, and the external modem is connected externally to a computer. Second most important networking device is hub. A hub is also another network device which provides a common connection to the various computers in a network. This device directly connected to the cables. Each connection is called a port. When the hub receives data at one of its ports, it distributes the data to other ports in the network. So a hub sends all the data it received to all the connected ports. So student, next networking device is switch. A switch is or network switch is a device that joins multiple computers together within one local area network LAN. Switch contains many ports to connect different network segments. They are similar to the hubs but offer greater performance. A switch is aware of the address of assigned to each of its ports and send the incoming data it receives only to the intended port. Next is repeater. Repeater is a network device that increases the range of transmitted signals. It is attached in a network to expand the boundaries of wired or wireless area network. So next network device is router. A router is a communication device that is used to connect two different networks such as two LANs or a LAN and a WAN. It plays a vital role in controlling the traffic and keeping the network efficient. Next, gateway. A gateway connects two different types of network to share the information, and it is act as an entrance to another network using different protocol, thereby giving us freedom and convenience to enjoy online activities. It is a shared connection between a local area network and larger system, that is WAN. It basically works as a messenger agent that takes data from one system, encrypt it and transfer it to the another system. Next important networking device is bridge. A bridge connect and filter the data between two network segments. It is a repeater with add-on functionality of filtering content by reading the addresses of the source and the destination. It also prevents unnecessary traffic from entering the network and reduce congestion.